A very warm welcome to class 6. I welcome you all for the revision of PT2. We have already started the revision, but yes, we have to focus on our studies more and more, because this exam is also going to be conducted in the form of multiple choice question, fill up, objective types. Okay, so there is no such kind of question answers, but the objectives will be asked from any corner of the chapter. Objectives will be asked from any corner of the chapter. Am I very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Two
Yes, ma'am.
from literature,
ma'am.
2 lessons from grammar. Got it? Clear, children? Yes or no?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Children, any doubt? Hmm?
No, ma'am, no doubt. No, ma'am, no doubt. No doubt.
Okay. So let's start our
Ma'am,
revision. Yes?
2 chapters.
Only 2 chapters. Okay?
Name English.
Yes, beta?
मैम PT2 में कौन से 4 चैप्टर्स आएंगे?
2 chapters from literature, 2 chapters from grammar. Mary Com and Olympic Granny is from your main course book, literature, and from language, that is grammar, you have 2 chapters. Active and passive voice and preposition. Very clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Sure. Let's start our revision, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. Huh? Faith. Tanmay. Tanmayta. Take out your book. Take out the chapter Mary Com. Come on. Yes, just hold on. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I will first ask to read out the first two paragraphs. Tirth Mehta will read it first.
Yes, ma'am.
Start the reading.
Ma'am, I have not book.
You have not book. Or I don't have book.
Ma'am, I don't have Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Ma'am, read next paragraph.
Yes,
I will down.
Start reading. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, huh? Just hold on. Just hold on, beta. Yes. Start.
People read about the only woman to become world amateur boxing champion for a record 6 times. Mary Kom never said die. Section 1. People used to say that boxing is for men and not for women. I thought I will show some. I thought I will show them someday. I promised myself and I proved myself, says Mary Kom. Has proved that with tenacity and hard work, we can overcome obstacles, mistakes, and setbacks along the way. The journey has not been easy for
Mangte.
Jiang.
Children,
Mary
wait. Kumarpal, just repeat after me. Quite repeat after me. The journey has
Yes, ma'am.
not been easy for Mangte Chung Ne Jang. Mangte Chung Ne Jang. Pronounce it.
has not been easy for Mangteng Chung Ni Jiang Mary Kom.
Yes.
Chung Ni Jiang.
Chung Ne Jang.
Yes, ma'am. Who has stormed her way into the predominantly male bastion,
Passion.
bastion and shown the world that boxing is not just the man's domain.
Good.
Mary Kom is a 6-time world amateur boxing champion.
Kumarpal, that is
Amateur.
Yes.
Amateur.
Yeah.
Amateur boxing champion and only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 7 world championships, nicknamed Magnificent Mary. She became the first Indian woman boxer to get a gold medal in the Asian Games held in 2014 in Incheon.
Now let's
Incheon.
Wait. Now I request all the students to note down the important points still here, because in multiple choice question in the objective type, from any corner I am going to ask. From any corner of
Ma'am, can we underline that?
Yes. You're most welcome. All the students, they all have to underline or circle it, whatever it is, or highlight it, so that from any corner when I'm going to ask you, you should be ready with your answers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now I would like to ask Ruby Jain to read it out. Ruby Jain. Ruby? Are you there, Ruby? Vanshika? Those are not going to answer me, I will put absent. Vanshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read out the next paragraph.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, ma'am.
One by one.
Ma'am, this paragraph, Mary Kom is a 6-time world. मैम उसमें सबको अंडरलाइन करना, सारे सेंटेंसेस अंडरलाइन करना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि उसमें लिखा हुआ कब वो बने और
in Hindi
कब
class,
बार उनको मिला.
Child, this is an English class and we are supposed to speak only in English, right? We should not speak.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, yes, Vanshika, continue. Then Tani will read.
Now read is in.
Then Tani.
Now read. Boxing was always considered a sport for men. Till you came around and broken the might. But now,
Vanshika, your voice is
but how
breaking.
much has a
Voice is breaking, beta. Start again.
no, ma'am?
Start again.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Boxing was always considered a sport for men till you came around broken the match. How much was a serious challenge after that? After that, do you see more women come forward and taken up the sports protectively? The sports itself, not just women, as a nation, we lack a instrument.
What happened?
instruments.
We lack enthusiasm. We lack
We lack
enthusiasm. Siasm.
enthusiasm.
Siasm नहीं बेटा, siasm. Siasm.
Enthusiasm
In promoting
sports, people of both gender. I don't mind to say about that. Means to say that our authorities are not.
अच्छा वंशिका,
Are not.
वंशिका बेटा, listen. Authorities means what? What do you mean by authorities? क्या समझ में आया आपको authorities से? What do you mean by authorities?
मैम स्टोरी जो लिखते हैं
नहीं बेटा, authorities मतलब आपका अधिकार है, ठीक है? Now wait, let me explain you all this line.
Yes.
I think we need to change our attitude towards the sport itself. हम सबको स्पोर्ट्स के प्रति हमारी सोच को बदलना जरूरी है. Not just women as a nation. Okay, we lack enthusiasm in promoting sports. हमारे कंट्री में स्पोर्ट्स को इतना ज्यादा बढ़ावा नहीं दिया जाता है, especially with the women, with the girls. Okay. People of both the genders, हर किसी को बराबर का हक मिलना चाहिए. Okay, I don't mean to say that our authorities are not trying their best. हमारे जो authorities हैं, हमारे जो head हैं, वो कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये गलत बात है. But it is a difficult task given the needs of developing country. अगर हमारे country को develop करना है, तो हमारे कंट्री में वुमेन हो चाहे मेन हो, all should get the same opportunity to move ahead in life. Okay, given the needs to developing country like ours and sheer geographical size of India, we aren't doing enough to promote sports people in general as compared to other countries. अगर हम अपने कंट्री को दूसरे कंट्री से कंपेयर करें, we aren't doing enough to promote sports. हम स्पोर्ट्स को ज्यादा फोकस नहीं करते हैं, प्रेशर नहीं देते हैं, इसीलिए हम आज भी हम अभी भी काफी पीछे हैं दूसरे कंट्रीज से. Got it, Vanshika? Got the meaning? Vanshika understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to ask Tani to continue. Tani? Tani?
Ma'am,
Yes, wait. I will give you a chance. Wait. Tani? Gone.
yes, ma'am.
Where are you? I can't see your face. Tani, switch it on. Video. Your face I want. Tani. Don't waste my time, beta. Leave it. Arham. Arham Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue.
The sport itself, not just I think we need to change our attitude towards the sport itself, not just women. As a nation, we lack
Enthusiasm.
enthusiasm in promoting sports. People of both genders, I don't mean to say that our authorities are not trying their best, but it's difficult task given the needs of developing country like ours and the sheer geographical size of India. We aren't doing enough to
Aren't nahi
promote
bolte beta.
sports.
It is aren't. We aren't doing. We aren't doing.
We aren't
Doing
we aren't doing enough
enough.
to promote sports. Enough to promote sports. People in general, as compared to other countries, there has been
Okay.
a sea of
Okay. Thank you. Kushal. 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 Start reading.
I think we to change.
No, beta. No. There was been. There was been a sea of change.
There was been a sea of change in this sincere
Scenario.
in the scenario in the recent past, but we still have a long way to go. It's good to see that a lot is beginning in trade, both in terms of money as well as that for other sports. The cricket, how is boxing for women for campaign by men? Do you think they are fine with women taking up skip that always been put down needs?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Tirth Mehta. Tirth Mehta. Tirth Mehta will continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Will continue.
Yes, ma'am. How is boxing for women perceived by men? In the scenario, Ma'am.
Who is reading?
Ma'am, Kushal.
Kushal. Kushal. Kushal.
How is box?
Wait, beta Kushal. Okay. Tirth Mehta is reading. Tirth.
How is boxing for women perceived by men? Do you think they are fine with women taking up stuff that has always been predominantly men's activity.
Predominantly.
Predominantly men's activity.
Good.
Let me put it this way. I was the only woman who had secured a place in the boxing team during the 2012 Olympics by the grace of God and his hard work. I also won the bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight event. I strongly believe that my achievements will leave a mark on the society and help people realize that it's time they change. This perspe- perspective and break the myth
Myth.
that
It is myth.
myth that myth that certain sports are not meant to be taken up by women. As women, we can complete and
Wait. I request everyone to underline the important points. If you don't have the book, please note down the important points. Clear? Because I can ask from any corner of the chapter. Afterwards,
yes,
say that कि मैम मैंने तो ये नहीं पढ़ा था. Okay. State Baradia.
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue.
Ma'am, now Versailles came. That's why I can't know. I don't know that where I have to start from.
Okay. Start from as women we can.
As women, we can compete with win in any field of sports. What inspired you to take up boxing? I got interested in boxing and took up the sport when I was 15 years old. I was inspired by Dingo Singh, an Indian boxer who won the gold medal in 1998 Asian Games. Later,
Underline.
I got inspired by great Muhammad Ali. I wanted to try harder and aim higher. Like him, today I am inspired by my own achievements and the goals I have set for myself. My desire is to get more medals for India. My passion for sports is fuel. That keeps me goal driver at all time. Women are considered the weaker sex. What's your opinion about this gender bias?
Okay.
Women have left their
beta.
mark in every field.
Wait, beta. Okay, thank you so much. You all have underlined the important points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I would like to ask next from Chahat. Chahat, continue. Chahat.
yes, ma'am.
Please continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue, beta.
Yes. Women are considered the weaker sex. What's your opinion about this gender bias? Women have left their mark in every field by sheer determination and dedication, sports, science, journalism, entrepreneurship, etc. Our country has produced some great women leaders in politics as well. I would say that the participation that society has about women is wrong. Women aren't weaker than men. One should not underestimate the power of women. They can perform wonders too.
How did you train yourself for the sports during the competitions? To get further about the sports and to fare well inside the ring, I had put in 8 hours of training every day, once in the morning and once in the evening. I also took great care of my diet as it plays a major part of my professional training session. I had to follow diet pattern that had food items from every group with the right balance of proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, and other required minerals. I never skipped meals or cheated on my meal plan. In fact, I always had my daily meals on time without fail. I think it's important to be disciplined to maintain a routine like that.
Okay. Now wait. Now, children, I would like to stop sharing and I would like to ask you some questions related to Mary Kom. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to shut down our book.
Shut down or it is too close?
Oh,
Shut down.
sorry.
Now listen, now listen to me. My question to
भाई क्लास है मेरी.
Beta, mute yourself. My question to Nimisha is, what is the name of full name of Mary Kom? What is the full name of Mary Kom? देख के नहीं बोलोगे. You will switch on your camera. Switch on your camera, Nimisha. Nimisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the full name of Mary Kom?
Full name.
What is the actual name of Mary Kom?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. Nimisha, beta, when I am teaching, I have asked you all to underline it. So you are having so casual approach. Yes, Tej Baradia, you can.
Ma'am,
Cheung Yang Mary Kom.
Repeat the answer.
Cheung Yang Mary Kom.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Bolo.
Ma'am, Te Chungni Jang Mary Kom.
So you have to learn. Now, in which year, at what age Mary Kom started thinking about boxing? My question to, wait. Arya Golcha will answer. At which age did Mary Kom started thinking about?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay. Tanika, wait, beta. Tanika?
Ma'am, 15 years.
Ma'am, 15 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Lock kar do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm very happy. Okay, correct answer. My next
और आप 2 करोड़.
My next answer to Sonu Bed. What actually she wanted to do for this country? Sonu Bed. What actually she wanted to do for this country? Sonu, answer me. answer? Yes, Kumarpal. Kumarpal. Kumarpal, answer me. Your voice is not coming. It is breaking. Kumarpal, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, now. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, it is coming.
She wanted to bring medals for our country and tell society that women are also like men. Women are also powerful like men, and women also can bring medals and in bring medals and box for our India.
Okay, very good. My next question to Manya Jain. Double A Manya, huh? MAANYA, that Manya.
Yes, ma'am.
Your question is, first medal when she got the first medal. When she got the first medal. And what type of medal she has got first? When she got the first medal and what was which type of medal it was?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am, please can I tell? Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, gold medal in 2014.
Ma'am, bronze medal in
Yes.
2012 Olympic.
Perfect.
No.
Now you understood.
51
Beta.
kg.
Yes. Now listen. Now you all have understood that how can the questions come? Very clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Tomorrow you have oral test of this chapter. From any corner I will take.
Okay, ma'am.
From any corner. You have to read out the chapter, underline the important points and keep it ready. Learn it and keep it ready. While you are giving your
Ma'am.
test, you will not open the book. Yes.
Ma'am,
in
in
chapter-
MCQ form.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in MCQ form.
Kya beta?
Ma'am, in MCQ form.
No MCQ. It can be true and false. It can be match the following. It can be fill in the blank. It can be one word. It can be MCQ.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubt. Ma'am, you said that any chapter, any corner. Ma'am, which chapter? Ma'am, I didn't hear the voice.
This chapter, beta, Mary Com.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have doubt.
Beta, time is over. I have to move now. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
You can WhatsApp me whatever is your doubt. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Next class I will ask.
Bye, ma'am.